School is not easy, but school is it's like 500 and 200 naira. I was buy onion 100 naira and this thing. Give me my
wọ́n ṣẹ̀ dé ní ìsìn wọ́n ṣẹ̀ dé wọ́n sì lò kú wọ́n ṣẹ̀ dé ní ìsìn.
Hey guys, I'm back home and I just want to give a quick update of how my week went. Today is Saturday, giving an update of how Monday to Friday, how it was. Guys, since the beginning of this semester, Monday to Friday has been the most stressful week I have ever had. Like, my school was literally like this on my neck, but anyway, I've written, should I say, 90% of my test, and I don't know what to say, but some were okay, some were fair, some were hard, but I know that at the end of the day everything is going to come out well. I'll do really well, and just now I'm going to do much better in my exams. Yes, so there's really nothing much that happened Monday to Friday, but trust me guys, I was so busy. Like, the test was just coming back to back. The only day I didn't have test was Wednesday and Friday. On a norms, I don't go to school on Wednesday except I have practical. I rarely have classes on Wednesday, but on Friday there was no test. We were actually thinking there will be a GNS test on Friday, but they didn't tell us anything. I guess they'll be fixing it this week. That I'll be entering, and this week we'll be entering is my lecture free week. Although I am still going to school, and the possibility that I'll be going to school almost every day, like throughout next week, is 100% sure. I have an assignment to go submit on Tuesday. Like, can you believe I have, like, they gave me an assignment number 1 to 42. Can just imagine. In fact, we were even told to do the assignment inside a 40 leaves notes. Like, oh god, it is well. So I have today. Let me even take today's out of it. I have tomorrow, which is Sunday. On Monday is a public holiday in my school. I don't know if it's everywhere in Osun State or in Nigeria, but I just know Monday is public holiday. So I have tomorrow and Monday to do the assignment because I'm going to submit it on Wednesday. I'll be going to submit it on Tuesday. So I don't know, another lecturer can just come and say we should come. So I know that next week is not, I just know that next week is not fully lecture free week. So, and exams will be starting next 2 weeks, which is on the 15th, though I don't have papers the first week of exam, so I think I still have time to prepare. But anyway, right now I just want to relax a bit because I went out this morning to do a photo section, should I say a video section for someone, though I was paid. Yes, I'll definitely say for a client. Her birthday is on Monday, so she wanted a video, and so I go back not quite long. I rushed out to get what I'm going to cook, and here I am. I'm just going to relax a bit. It's my phone, and when I'm done, hopefully they would have not taken this light there. So I just want to make stew, and I don't know, I'm thinking of making jollof rice instead of stew. I don't know, but anyway, let me just rest a bit, and I'll see you when I see you. Guys, I think I will be ending the vlog here. Just forget about whatever is going on my face. I don't know if that light is kind of affecting my video, but I just hope. I think this is better now. I was just trying to keep my camera in a better way. Ending the vlog here because, sincerely speaking, if I should continue this vlog, I don't know when I will be editing it or when I will be uploading it. Today is Sunday and I've started editing like other parts of the video already, so I plan on uploading this video tomorrow. I think I'll be leaving something on my community tab. For now, till after my exam, I will only be uploading every Monday by 5 p.m. Nigerian time. I'm going to try my best to do that. I will not be uploading twice a week again till after my exam. But after my exam, you guys should be ready for my consistent like back-to-back videos. For now, I'll only be uploading once a week, which will be every Monday by 5 p.m. Nigerian time to be specific. I stopped the assignment at number 26. You can see I still have sorry guys, I still have a long way to go. Like I have 72 assignments to do and I'm just in 26. God, I don't even know what to say. Like looking at my face alone, I can see the old stress that distressed me. I just know I am going to survive this semester. This semester is going to come and go, and sincerely speaking guys, after my exam, my plan is after my exam, maybe a day after my exam, I'm just going to relax, like sleep in my room all through that day. Then after that one, I'm packing my bag, I'm leaving this place, I'm going to my house. Guys, I'm going to my house like a day immediately after my exam, like 1-2 days. I'm going to my house. I'm tired. Like I'm tired of being an adult. I'm tired of taking care of myself. I need that pampering from my mom. It's not easy. Like this exam week has been really stressful for me. Okay, this is Sunday, so I feel we're already in a new week. This week is my lecture free week, so I don't know how it's going to be, and with the way my school is, I don't know how this week is going to be, but I don't think this week will be a lecture free week all through. But anyhow it is, if I can vlog the week, fine. If I cannot vlog, I'll definitely vlog during the weekend and just upload on Monday, guys. Like this is where anyway. Like I said, I'll be ending this vlog here. I just want to say thank you for watching. Like if you watched till now, I hold you and heart, like I hold you my heart. Yes, you very much. Like so see my next vlog, guys. This vlog will definitely be a short vlog. I just know that, I know that already, and it is more of a talking vlog than a silent vlog. I'm sorry, it just has to be like this. For my fellow students that's currently going through this phase, like for my fellow Nigerian students and other students around the world that's currently going through this phase, I just want to tell you that we are going to survive this. I feel this is part of what we will go through while trying to get that degree. You get what I'm trying to say? So just keep up the spirit and everything is going to be fine. Like I always say, school is not easy, but school is sweet. Like school life is the best experience you can ever get, though there are the hard and there are the sweet times. Before I start talking too much, anyway, thank you so much for watching till now. Thank you for stopping by. I just want to say I love you. I love you very, very much. Bye guys. See you in my next video.